Have you ever been scammed on eBay by another buyer who claims never received the item? Tracking number obviously shows that the item is delivered, but he claims never received the item. So what do? You are losing money. I'm talking about eBay dropshipping here. I have been once new dropshipper 5 years ago. I was really in a hard, tough situation when you count every dollar. I didn't know how to deal with those freaky smart scammers out there on eBay. You were gonna face them because there is a lot of them. But this is one very unique option how you can do this. Please do not use for evil reasons, but just if you have if you have been scammed, okay? And that's why I made this video for you guys, to help you out to protect yourself from losing money. You cannot protect yourself from the scammers, but you can protect yourself from losing money. Okay, if it's valuable for you, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some more extraordinary advices and just to helping out you, because I remember, now I'm okay, now I'm good, but I remember how hard it was for me in my age to change something 5 years ago when you dead broke and you were trying to survive and to do something online, and then you just booms one, but somebody is just smashing you with like wow, 35 bucks minus, and I still remember it was very painful. So guys, if you have any questions, please send it to me. Please write in the comments. Join my Facebook group, the links are below there, some helpful links below there, and most of all, let me know what you think about this. Okay, take care, see you soon, bye. Boys and girls, let's do something else. Let's say you received your package, which I received now as a eBay buyer from you, and I'm not satisfied about my grill cover because you sent me grill cover broken or dirty. So what you are doing is you just click here. Okay, you go back where your items are. Okay, it doesn't matter. You just go back here. There is customer service. Click on the customer service. There is a contact us. Find the contact us button somewhere. Then you choose your item complaining about. This item. All right. Please make selection. Where's my stuff? Problem with an order, return, change. In our case, it would be problem with the order because it's dirty, broken. Please make a selection. Damage, it's a damage. You send me freaking damage, dropshipper. Okay, so did you know you can return damaged items and Amazon? Okay, you just want to chat with them, okay? You can, yeah. So, what you were gonna write in a chat is just whatever. Hello, Andrew. Live start chatted. Blah blah blah. Okay, so hi. Let's see what's happened. Hi. Maybe it will take a while. It depends. Sometimes they are really busy. Sometimes not. Hi. Oh, okay, I got somebody is typing me already back. Hi. Hi. Yes, hello, good. Okay, yes, good day. I just received my packet of package and I was happy until I recognized that the oh, you see how I'm writing in English. My English is almost good. I recognize that the grill cover has a damage. Or more precisely, it is looks like it is dirty. It is not dirty. How to say it is? It is. It's dirty. Dirty. Paint stripes on it. Kind of like this. Dirty. Have to write like this. Okay, so send. We'll see what the Guru Deep from Amazon will answer me. I have to wait. Okay, so here we got. Sorry for inconvenience caused in this regard. Okay, keep typing, Guru Deep. Okay, the item is sold by one of the seller on Amazon and we are unable to create a replacement order for the item sold by seller on Amazon. Okay. Request you to please return the item for refund and place a new order at your convenience. Okay. Well, as a Prime member, I am a bit dissatisfied with this option, and I ordered and I placed the order from Amazon, not from the third party sellers. Okay, looks like there is no benefits to be a Prime member. Yes, it's fulfilled by Amazon but sold by seller, which is why refunds and returns are processed by us. But we are unable to place them as we are uncertain about inventory of the item at our fulfillment center. Sorry for bothering you. We'll see how it will go. May I apologize again. May I please know if you prefer to keep the item for partial refund? You see how the language starts to be different now. What can I say? I wouldn't say it work as I see the product as Martha. Can I send you a Can I send you a picture to prove what I mean? Just need to communicate with the guy or whatever it is, whoever is, don't know, was sent it. And yes, it was sent as a gift order. Or you mind if I send the gift orders to my own household? Let me see what the guy or girl, what's the name? Interesting, Guru Deep. What the Guru Deep body will gonna tell me now. Come on, Guru Deep, where are you? Here we go. What I'm trying here is I'm just trying to twist his hand, the Amazon's rep's hand, to twist the hand, because sometimes you will gonna need to ask for replacement. Sometimes you will gonna need, maybe you can ask just for compensation because you have to give some 20, 30, 50% discount to your eBay buyer. So that's the process how you have to go here. I completely understand, and you issue full refund for the item and you won't have to go through return process. Okay, so it's a little bit, you see how there is no law about this, how it goes. It's totally depends here on Guru Deep, how the Guru Deep just choose to do. So you might dispose the one received at your convenience and place a new order for the item. Okay, sounds like we got the solution here, and have a nice day. I might change my mind and stay and stick with the Prime membership, because I see, oh come on, because I see that you have great customer service. All right, so membership, come on, let's like this. What the Guru Deep will gonna answer me. Guru Deep is typing his final words. Okay. Okay, thank you. Is there anything else I might assist you with at the moment? That's it. I will be happy to make some more to look. That's it. I will be happy to look forward to make some business with you again. Bye. All right. So what I got is I got my grill cover for free. Now I can refund my eBay buyer 50% as a compensation fee, because he said he got the wrong size, or you send him wrong color of the grill cover, or you send him because there was out of stock situation, and you were typing me and asking me, Andrew, what I can do, because this is out of stock. I can find on Amazon, I can find on Walmart, I can find nowhere. So what shall I do? And I said to you, just ship him another size or different color. Okay, not smaller size. You can ship one few inches bigger maybe, but different color. Okay, you can ship. So. And let me do this. Thank you for coming. It was my pleasure to have a great day. Please click on end chat. Okay, end chat, of course, yes. Section, I will say yes. All right. It's gone. Good. Did I solve your problem? Yes, you solved my problem. And stuff like this is great, and this is great and great. Okay, send feedback. It's not necessary, but you can do this. Continue shopping. Not now. So yes, and the story goes like this. I got my money back from I don't do this on a regular basis, guys. I'm just showing you example how you have to deal with the cases when you got out of stock and not losing money. Okay. So, or you have complaints from the customers and you don't know what to do. You don't have to pay from yourself, okay? I just made up that this is with the color, or with the fabric broken, or whatever you can make up, okay? So, and yes, so you got this cover. Your customer got the cover. You refunded him 50%, and you still got 50% on your account here. Okay, by doing so, you are clear. You got the transaction number, there is no errors on transactions and stuff like this. So don't be afraid to send, when you are running out of stock, don't be afraid to send a very similar product which could fit. Let's say this is a 57-inch, and let's say the customer, he ordered from me 52-inch grill cover, and I sent 52 was out of stock. I sent him 57. Or let's say he ordered a Weber grill cover. I sent him some kind of weird grill cover. Okay, and he's complaining, and I kind of like, oh my gosh, I made mistake. Would you be able to keep it, and I will gonna refund you 50%. But you do this after you communicated with the chat, as I showed you right now, through the Amazon, okay? And when you get the Amazon solution, then you communicate your problem with the customer, because then you know you got 50% from customer from the Amazon. You can compensate that 50% to him, or you got 100 and you can compensate the 100 to him just for the positive feedback. It will gonna be cool. Okay? It all depends how the situation and story goes from here, from communicating with the eBay, with the Amazon's representative here. Okay, so are we cool now? I think this can save you a lot of headaches. Okay, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know what you think about this. All right, take care. Bye bye.